Hello everyone, and thank you for joining my channel. My name is Ed Walker, and we're going to cover how to restore your computer. Um, you would do this rather than take it to a computer shop. You may have just a problem within Windows that you can reset your Windows on your PC, and it should resolve a lot of the issues, especially if it's starting to run real slow, it's getting sluggish, it's starting to freeze up. Um, those are some signs that you have some Windows file issues there. So we'll get right to it and show you just how easy it is to reset your Windows. Hello everyone, we're going to go ahead and reset our PC and get it running like it should. Very easy to do. We're going to come straight down to the bottom left corner. Looks like a window pane, and which is your start. We're going to left click on it, come up to the gear wheel. Looks like a gear wheel. That's your settings. We're going to click on settings. At the very bottom is update and security. We're going to left click update and security and come up till we see right here recovery. We're going to go ahead, we're going to click on left click on recovery. And up here, this first section, it's recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, it kind of freezes, it locks up, this may be the best resource to fix that PC's problem in Windows files. Make sure that you are on the internet, either by cable or Wi-Fi. So, and once you make sure that you're on the internet, all you have to do is click on the button Get Started. Click on Get Started. And you have two options. One, you can keep your files. That will remove all apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files like documents, music, pictures, anything you saved in your documents. All those files will be saved. The files that will be removed are like Microsoft Office, printer, um, uh, any antivirus, any third-party software will be removed. And then once the Windows is reset, you can always reinstall those programs. But your Windows will be up and fully functional and running. Okay. Your second option here, if you're not worried about your personal files, you have the option to remove everything, and it will just do a fresh copy of Windows on it and remove everything else. Okay. So if you choose, for example, keep my files, you click. It doesn't take any long, and you will get right here. You want to get the fresh install with the updates. Excuse me. You want to click on the cloud download, which would be the first one. You can reinstall Windows on this device, but if they were corrupt or something, you're better off to do the cloud, which is downloads it from the internet there for you. So you can click on the cloud, and it says to download and reinstall Windows. Okay. So all you would do then is click on next. And this is going to give you a warning also of what's going to take place. That it will remove everything other than your personal files. Okay. And there it is. It says reset will change settings back to their default. It'll keep all your personal files. It will download and reinstall Windows. And it will remove all apps and programs. Okay? And this will take a little while. And all you have to do is come down here and click on reset, and it will begin. And then just follow the prompts. And it'll actually reload the windows and come back up, and you'll be all set. And that's it. And that should conclude resetting your Windows on recovery. I hope that this helped. If it does, give me a likes up or likes thumbs down. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And happy surfing, and